the demo as well later on. So this is the role of ERO. That's all. So until and unless all the ERO have finalized the service voter data, RO will not able to proceed with the uploading of ballot paper or finalizing the address. Please note that. Okay. So first role is of ERO. I'll show you later on. Next role is of the returning officer. Okay. For returning officer, what you have to do is you have to generate the postal ballot for service voter using offline desktop application. Okay. Link is given here in the document as well as in your login as well. In ETPBMS itself, when you log in, there is a link for downloading the offline desktop application. I will show you later on. So using that offline desktop application, you have to generate the postal ballot for service voters, and the ballot that you generate should not exceed more than 2 MB in size. Okay, and it should contain, the ballot paper should contain what? Name of the candidate in English and official language in serial as per Form 7A. So for the ROs, what we have done is we have prepared this. See, this is a one-page document. Okay, so this is a one-pager document. It is a to-do list actually. What you have to do in ETPBMS, and you have to follow each and every word of this document strictly, without fail. Okay, you have to follow each and every word of this document strictly without fail. So RO, they have to generate the postal ballot, and it should be as per Form 7A and contain the name of the candidate in English and official language in serial as per Form 7A. Then the party name in English and official language, photograph of the candidate, keep the size from 10 to 12 KB. As I have mentioned in the first step, it should not exceed more than 2 MB in size. So how you can ensure that? By keeping the photograph of the candidate 10 to 12 KB. Okay, do not upload a large size photograph. If you upload large size photograph, the size of the ballot paper will exceed. And at last, you have to add nota, none of the above, in English and official language. Again, nota, do not write NOTA. Okay, you have to enter in full, none of the above. Okay, you have to enter none of the above in full. Then you have to ensure serial number is correct, spelling is correct, photo is correct, and nota is added in the ballot paper. All right. Do not keep multiple ballot in the system. I'll show you why I'm saying this. As while uploading the ballot, you might end up uploading the wrong ballot. So keep only one correct ballot in the system. I'll explain you this later on during the demo. Then the second step for RO is RO will log in on ETPBMS. Okay, RO will log in on ETPBMS using the user ID. It will be shared by CO office once they create it. And you have to enter the returning officer address and finalize it. You have to enter full postal address with state, district, and PIN code. And this is the address where you want the marked postal ballot to be received back. Okay. So RO, what you have to do is you have to enter the full postal address. And please note, for PC elections as well as for AC elections, if ERO has not finalized the service voter data, RO will not able to enter the address, okay, or finalize it. So once ERO has submitted the data, finalized it, only then RO will be able to enter the full postal address and then finalize it. Next step is RO will upload the postal ballot. Okay, RO will upload the postal ballot. So this is the postal ballot that you have created in the first step. Then the next is RO will view and approve e-postal ballot. So what is this e-postal ballot? This is the complete ballot containing Form 13 A, B, C, D. Okay, this is the complete ballot containing Form 13 A, B, C, D. And whatever address that you have written in the second step, okay, whatever address that you have finalized in the second step will be printed on Form 13C, that is the outer envelope. All right. Thereafter, RO, they have to check and ensure that ERO has finalized the service voters and check the count before generating the PIN. Only then RO will transmit the EPB PIN. So once you are done with entering the address, uploading the ballot, finalizing it, then you have to transmit the EPB PIN. And even while transmitting the EPB PIN, you will receive OTP, okay, for PIN transmission. So in order to transmit, also you will receive OTP. So ensure that you do not share such OTP with anyone. It can be a case wherein your nodal officer or any other officer in your
Sorry
office
to disturb you,
are
sir.
working.
Somebody is presenting, sir.
Someone is presenting.
सर
Then
प्रीतम
why
ने तो
you are
लगता
making the issue, sir? Why you are presenting, sir? You want to give the presentation? Emaru Venkateshwar. I don't know why such kind of things happens. So from which state he is?
please give your details and name designation contact email. Ah, yes. And who is the nodal officer?
No audio, sir.
No, no, I'm not speaking. I'm trying to present just because of. Okay, now
It is
it is
already
visible.
presented, Saksham. We are able to see your screen.
Okay, thank you. All right. So RO, they have to transmit the EPB pin. So what I was saying that any of your officers in your office or any nodal officer, they will ask you for OTP. Do not just share that OTP. Check whether it is a login OTP or pin transmission OTP. Okay. Only after that you have to share the OTP. So I'll just move to demo immediately. So let us move. I'll just skip the part of CEO. CEO office, they already know how to create the logins for the ROs and counting supervisor. It is quite simple. They have already done testing in the demo server as well. So I'll start with the role of ERO. All right. So ERO, what you have to do, you have to go to the service voter portal. Okay. Select ECI officials, enter your ERO ID. You will receive OTP on your registered mobile number. All right. So this ERO, you have to log in and then you have to go to this finalize service voters. Okay. And when you have to do this, you have to do this on the after the last date of nomination, 3 p.m. Okay. After the last date of nomination, 3 p.m., you have to go to this finalize service voter. Just click on this. So here you can see 1 day, 1 hour, 9 minutes left for service voter to finalize. So the entire system is event driven and it will be enabled as per the election schedule entered by ECI admin. Okay, it will be enabled as per the election schedule entered by the ECI admin. So ERO will not able to finalize the service voter until unless the last date of nomination is met. After 3 p.m. only, they'll be able to finalize the service voter data. So let us assume that it's already 3 p.m. So here you can see list of electors will come for your constituency. So ERO, what you have to do is you have to simply click on this finalize. Okay, just click on this finalize. You want to finalize? Yes. And your service voter has been finalized. So now you need not download this list and upload in ETPBS. You have to simply click here and it will be directly transferred to ETPBS. So just scroll this, not for the live one. Okay, when you are going to do the testing, please note when you are going to do the testing, here you can see record office ID is there, unit office ID is there. Okay, record office ID is there, unit office ID is there. So this is the ID in the demo server. Okay, so demo server is demo.sup.eci.gov.in. Demo server is demo.svp.eci.gov.in. So here the user ID and password will be same as ERO network. Okay. Okay. So while you are going to do the testing for the pre-counting, you have to download the ballot paper as well as pin from the demo server. Okay. In order to download that ballot